audience was amazing. We were all so engaged, and we did pretty much a very good job to make sure that everything goes smoothly. We provide the information that we feel is necessary.
The room is full, people are interested, people are asking questions, the speakers are amazing, there's excitement, people are wanting to learn, the hosts have done an amazing job. And so as a first day, I think we couldn't have asked for much better.
Wow, it's been an eye-opener. I didn't expect to have to see such a large turnout, and it has been well attended, and the speakers of great importance coming from as far as Kenya, South Africa, Botswana, and the surrounding countries. They are bringing a vast of knowledge and experience, so I'm sure I've learned something and on the first day, and I'm still expecting to learn a lot on the second day.